Hi, welcome back to hostboxcse channel and back to the exclusive tutorial for computer architecture and organization, where exclusive useful for who are preparing GATE UGC and competitive exams as well as college exams also. Today we are going to see the topic called what is catch mapping and introduction to catch mapping techniques and what is the use of catch and so on. And the previous session I explained about the three-level architecture, three-level memory organization where consist of a heterogeneous or independent memory organization as well as the simultaneous memory organization with a real-time exam also. Let's go for the session today. Very simple and easy. So what is catch mapping? So generally what is mean catchy? Catchy means fast access. Catchy means what? Catchy. And you know what is catch memory? Is one of the fastest memory unit where where is inbuilt with the CPU or processor and helpful to get the data. Then generally catch mapping defines how a block from the main memory is mapped to the cache memory in case of a cache miss. And main memory is generally divided into equal size partitions called as a blocks or frames, and cache memory is divided into partitions having same size set of blocks called as lines. And during cache mapping, the block of memory is simply copied to the cache and the block is not actually brought to the main memory. So before watching this, before getting idea, just go for the diagram and go for another mode for better clarity and explain here. If you have paper and pen, you can write. So generally, let's assume that real-time example, real-time life. Suppose I am sending a work to the person X. What happen? A X person may do the work within 1 hour, and same work coming to the person Y. What happen? The person may do the work in the half an hour. So it's what's denoting the performance and access speeds. Who is? So later what happen? I decide to give the work for the Y because what you observe in the candidate Y, because he is communicating very fast and finish the task fast. Now I just not what is catchy. Catchy means what? Just fast access memory. So there will be a lot of difference for catch mapping, and what is the use of this catch mapping? Because when you search data, after the computer switch on, what happened? The processor restored the word will suppose I am searching the information. If the information available in the is available in the computer, what that's catchy, what happened? It will brought to the register and we can get the information. So remember, so it avoiding the time wasting. So no need of time waste. Just we can get the information. The information available in the cache, it will back to the processor and we can view the information. Unfortunately, if not happen, that is called catch miss. That means unfortunately we are searching the information. If the information is not available, what happened? It moved to the main memory, and from the main memory the information moved to the cache and at last the processor. Then we can view the data. So these are called the transformation of information, transformation of mapping, like that. Now another definition, simple definition for catch mapping. We can say what is catch mapping. Another definition, easy one. It's a technique by which contents of the main memory are brought to the cache memory. So whenever the search operation fails, cache miss occurs, then it will go to the main memory. If at all not there, it go for the secondary storage. That is another mapping technique we will see in the upcoming sessions. So the simple one, if data available in the if the available data such the word or information not available in the cache memory, it move the main memory, and main memory to the cache, the data will be brought from the main memory to the cache. That is called catch mapping. At last it moved to the processor here. So this is a simple information here, simple things you have to remember about the catch mapping. Let's back to here. And what are the if you want to improve the cache performance, you need catch mapping techniques. Why you go for catch mapping? Because if you want to improve the performance of the computer and cache, also we need support of this catch mapping technique. Moreover, these are helpful to reduce these are used to reduce the average time to access data from the main memory, as well as the cache is very smaller and faster memory which stores copies of the data from frequently used main memory locations. Let's assume that a real-time example, understanding purpose. For example, you have file called a.txt. You are frequently, whenever you open the computer, you are going to open the file called a.txt. So the data frequently used means the data frequently a.txt will be available in the copy of the data available in the cache also. Till delete the information, it should be there. So whenever try to access the a.txt within, for example, within fraction of 20 seconds, you can access. Just to open the folder and click the file within fraction of 20 seconds or 10 seconds. That is frequently used data. You can access the data. That is possible with the cache mapping. Then what are the types of cache mapping? These are divided into three techniques. One is called direct mapping, another one is called full associative, another one is a k-way set associative mapping. These categories we will see in the upcoming sessions. So I hope that you understand what is cache memory and why we need cache mapping and so on. If you have any queries or anything, you can communicate with us at any time. And please like, share, comment, subscribe, press bell icon for more updates, and thanks for watching.